I'm here in Cornish Beach. I'm waiting for my friends is coming. See, it's we. The water is weaving because it's windy today. See, I just wait for my friend. She's coming now. While I'm sitting here, I want to smell the smell of the sea. Still hot. The sun's still hot. Okay, because the sun is almost going down, going sunset. I come here early so that I can see the sunset before the sun goes down. See. What is that? Because it is there. The sun is going to set. The sun is almost sitting. See.